What up, y'all? This Mel back with another eating check. Being as though I'm doing this solo, I mean what I want. A bowl of oatmeal. It didn't slide out. No, I don't like my oatmeal loose sometimes. But let me say grace and get in with this. No, I don't have nothing to drink. And all that other good stuff. God is good, God is great. Thanks for the middle life you see. Bless your hand, bless your plans, amen. This is like, we're just gonna leave it alone. So how y'all doing tonight? What y'all weather like? Wow, y'all really could see my ashy hands. Now I want lotion. And I normally don't do the lotion, but I'm good. Deal with the ash today for real. It's just plain oatmeal. I just put a little butter, a little sugar, and called it a day. So how y'all doing today? Was today a good day for y'all? Mine was okay. Man. For your ex, Keisha not here. She really just didn't want to do a video, so I'm on a solo. Why would you say that? That's not true. I'm not doing a video with you because you won't eat when I don't. I always was told, if you want people to do shit on your schedule, you make the schedule. And you do what need to be done. Man, I enjoys my oatmeal. Keisha don't eat oatmeal. More for me. My sons don't want to eat it unless it's flavored. Alonzo like that too. So hey, I just go buy a container of $1.75 and call it a day. Take me about 2 weeks to a month to get through it, and I just go buy another one. If they do oatmeal, they want quick oats. I like old fashioned. I like to have a little chew. Wow. Keisha get mad with me because all she want to do is seafood. There's more to food than seafood. I don't mind seafood, but every day, no, I'm not that person. And I don't like my seafood submerged in sauces. Yeah, it was a red sauce or a mustard sauce maybe. But all them butter sauces and all that, I'm good. disrespect my seafood. I don't do them heavy sauces. I don't care for the greasy sauces. So, yeah, some seafood in the red sauce. But like I said, I don't care for the greasy sauces. That's like if you pay attention, even when I make good sauces with butter, I don't eat them. I might dip a few times, but that's it. Because my body don't agree with all that grease. And it's way before you get to the stomach. Man. I'm watching Wish Dragon. The captions is all messed up. I was watching Sky Rojo, but Alonzo here. And if you've ever seen that, that ain't even something you watch with a 5-year-old. Even a child. And he keep, ooh, what you watching? Nothing for you. And I know he's doing that on purpose. Because when I put on a show, there's a childlike show, he disappear. Work on my nerves. Then at that point, I have to kind of threaten him. Oh, I'm almost finished. Man. Last night, I ate grits and eggs. One of my friend. I don't know. Maybe I need to just stop eating grits. Oh well. This is it. I brought me some flavored cottage cheese. Now, I don't normally do flavored cottage cheese. I just eat the plain. And this one was one that I really wanted to try. Curtis busted. I wanted to choke him. He didn't bust it by stepping on it by accident or dropping it on the floor. He think he's a beggar extraordinaire, and he's not. He put it at the bottom of a bag. with I think they had cold drinks in there. And like, let's be real, a 8-ounce container, a 8-ounce paper container with a furrow top is not gonna be a 12 pack. Smashed it all over the other groceries. And then gonna lick it off the bag. Talk about, that's good. I really wanted to sucker punch him. Like, you destroyed my stuff, but you willing to eat it the way it is, and you gonna rub it that it's good. The nerve, man. Well, I'm finished, y'all. I ain't got too much more to say and whatnot. Well, I do have more to say, but I'm just gonna keep it to myself and move right on along. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming. Be blessed. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your family. Hold up. Is it thanks for watching? Look, I don't know Keisha's outro. I just know that you could pick up what we putting down. Until next time, big up to Big Gert. Much love to y'all. Thank y'all for being the supporting family members that y'all are. Until next time, peace, love, and hair grease. Later.